Hey, what's going on, everyone? I think I may have found the next big pharma stock. This undervalued pharma stock could fatten your pockets. That's a question. Could it? Could this stock actually increase in value? We're going to talk about it by simply looking at the price chart for Royalty Pharma. Now, why would I pick out this particular stock? Let me show you the reason why. The first reason is because look at this. Ever since October or September 2023, we can see that Pharma has been holding this particular zone, right? We got buyers here. We got history of every time price in Pharma comes down to this level, $25, $26, it gets bought up. See that? The market is not willing to fall below that price. Now, that's one reason. Did you see right here over the last couple of trading days in Pharma as well? We got that indication of strength. We got another indication of strength. I think the problem that we need to see is, okay, at what level, at what price could we see this market in Pharma and Royalty Pharma see increased selling? Take a look. I just created the sell zone. And what do we have here? What just happened yesterday? Yep, market got hit with selling. Now, take a look at this though. Market came to the sell zone yesterday. Was the volume high though? Like, did a lot of selling pressure come into the market in Royalty? No, it didn't. So maybe the sellers aren't there. If they're not there, then we would expect to see Royalty Pharma continue to go higher in price. Now, we may see a small stint to where price trades within a range. We may see that because there's sellers there. Here's Royalty Pharma on the 3-day chart, 9 hours and 8 minutes left. I would like to see in the next 9 hours after today's trading, I would like to see the market in Pharma close at the high of that bar, because then that tells us that those buyers came in and took out the sellers. Okay. Here it is on the 4. Here's Pharma on the 5. I want to see what these areas look like on a daily. Here is Pharma on the weekly. Look what happened last week. We got that indication that the market wants to go up right there. Here it is on the 2. 2 more days, 10 hours. If this market in Royalty Pharma close at the high of that bar, that's a good idea, a good signal. Here it is on the 3 weeks. 2 days, 10 hours. I want to see the market in Royalty close at the high of that bar. Because if it does, then that tells us that this market is aiming for a higher price. So we got 2 days and 10 hours to see how the 3 weeks and the 2-weekly chart closes, or how it prints. Here it is on the 5. Okay. Still 2 days and 10 hours. I want to see it close at the high of the bar. Here it is on the monthly chart. So I got it. We're going to go ahead and look forward to this particular stock. Okay. To go high in price. These are our targets right up here. I'm going to get rid of this sell zone because the market already came and hit that already. Now, I'm going to go ahead and look for the market in Pharma to come to this first sell zone. $29.50, that's 3.4% move there, or $29.75, 4.42. Right around this area will be our first target. Our second target is going to be at the second sell zone, $30.50 to like $30.76, in it either at the low or the high. Okay. And this is our buy zone. I don't want to see the market come all the way down to this buy zone though. I'm just going to keep it real. And we're going to add this to our simulated stock portfolio. Royalty Pharma. Okay, so let's add this to the list. The ticker symbol is RPRX, Royalty Pharma. And the price currently at the last trade was at $28.49. And we'll come back periodically and look at these stocks to see how they're trading, because one we might need to get rid of is Tesla. Yeah, Tesla went ahead and did their earnings yesterday evening, and it didn't go too well. Market currently is down around $226.36. Our portfolio was showing $252 on the price paid per share. So yeah, depending on how the market reacts at this buy zone that we created, we may need to let it go because it's not panning out. All right, so, but we'll see. We need to check and see how the market is trading in that particular stock today, because if it continues to show weakness, then yeah, we'll let it go. Let's look at IWM. So this market currently is still looking pretty bullish. I mean, I wouldn't even be surprised for us to take some of this off the table. If we were to get out the market on the close yesterday, that's about 4% there. So the market doesn't look too weak right now in IWM. Here's Baba, Alibaba. Currently there's some weakness here too. Here's Newmont Corporation. Just give y'all a quick look at the market so far. So yeah, we don't look too bad right now with Newmont. Vanek, Gold Miners. Again, pretty much look like Newmont. And then we have Norwegian. Currently looking pretty good there too. Currency in the market trending in our favor. We can leave that there. Annaly, NLY. Again, doesn't look too bad. Still slightly below our entry price. We already did Tesla. Let's go and look at cars. Again, slight weakness here too. Earnings is coming up for that particular stock, so I'm definitely expecting it to move in that particular time frame. AGNC Investment looks pretty good there. We got a pretty good move after the earnings report Monday. So for us to see the market try to come back up in AGNC Investment, that's a pretty good thing for us to see. Let's go to Sunrun. Again, slight profit right now. Earnings is coming up, so we may need to let this go before earnings, because it looked like it's having problems of continuing to shoot up higher in price. Here's Ford. Definitely seeing some weakness here. Okay, so any of these stocks that's in the simulated portfolio that needs to be let go right now look like Tesla and Ford. They definitely look weaker out of these stocks in this portfolio right now. TRP. Okay, TRP has already came in past this first sell zone here. Looking for it to try to come up to this, what is this, $42 area. The moment that it does that, we may need to go ahead and let that off. Let that out the portfolio. So that looks pretty good there. CBOE. Okay, already hit this first sell zone. Not surprised to see the market close on a low. Looking at weakness and selling there. We need to see a hold though. If the market in CBOE doesn't hold this sell zone now, then yeah, we need to let this go. Okay, so I'm definitely paying attention to that. Orion Group. Okay, this one currently looks pretty bullish currently as well too. Orstown Financial. Okay, this one definitely still trending bullish. I'm paying attention to earnings. Pretty good earnings too. That came out yesterday. So we may see this market continue to trend up in price. If it does, then we would definitely let that stay. US Bank Corp. I think we just added this yesterday. Yeah, we did. Okay, so we're not going to touch that. Primus. You guys can see the market currently is hitting that sell zone too. So yeah, a couple of stocks was not faring well. Tesla, Ford, definitely might need to look at them, letting them go out of the simulated portfolio. And then we'll find more stock that we suspect has a higher potential of going up in price. So we'll see. Give me your thoughts though. You guys appreciate the video, the content, hit that like button, also subscribe. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.